everyone, my name is Miss Ashley from the Perryville Branch Library. Today we're going to do a science experiment. This one's called Magic Milk, and you should be able to do this with materials that you probably have at your house. So it's really a fun, quick, easy, and really awesome experiment. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first things that you need to do, you need to grab your materials. You are going to want whole milk. So all of the fat in the milk you're going to want. We have some food coloring. I am going to use all 4 colors because I want my experiment to be really colorful. I have a small dish with a little bit of dish soap in there. You're going to need Q-tips, and then most importantly, you are going to need some kind of dish to put your milk in. You don't need to fill it all the way, just enough to cover the bottom and then some. All right, so I already did that. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my food coloring and start adding in. You're going to want a lot of drops in there so you can have lots of color for the experiment. So, and I do have a little bit on my fingers. That happens, and you will be able to wash that off, and if it stays on for a little while, that's okay. You can also wear gloves if you don't want to get the food coloring on you, because sometimes it happens, and that's okay. Alrighty, my last color I'm starting to run out of. That is okay. Alright, so I have my colors in here. I'm going to add a little bit more yellow so it's a little lighter. Alrighty, and it's okay if they mix a little bit because that's what this experiment's going to be. So I have my dish soap and I have my Q-tips. I'm going to go ahead and get started and watch what happens when the dish soap drips into the milk. Oh my goodness. That's awesome, right? You can kind of pull it and take it with you. All right, that's really awesome, huh? So here's the science behind that. I'm gonna leave my Q-tip there. So milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. Proteins and fats are susceptible to changes. So when the dish soap is added to the milk, the molecules run around and try to attach to the fat molecules in the milk. So the molecules of the dish soap are trying to attach themselves to the molecules in the fat of the milk, which is why you want to have a whole milk, full fat milk for this experiment. So that was really cool, right? Thank you so much for joining me for this science experiment. I'm really happy to have you guys at home with me, and I want to invite you guys to come and pick up one of our activities to go at any of our contactless pickup locations or Elkton and Perryville, where you can come in and do some social distancing browsing. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.